Good morning students. Welcome to the new computer learning session. In today's session we will learn about the select option. First of all, the select option is used to select a part or whole drawing. After selecting the drawing, you can move it from one place to another. Like suppose first of all let me draw something. I have used the shapes. I am using the shapes here, right? And I have pressed the left mouse button and I am dragging my mouse. Once I draw the shape, then I have to release the mouse button. See, now I have drawn the shape, right? Now I want to move this circle to the right side of my window. Then what I have to do for that? Firstly, I have to click on home button. Then below the home tab there is a select option. Means you have to select the part of the drawing which you want to move from one place to another. I have to click on select and then I have to select the rectangular selection from there. Once I click on the rectangular selection, what I have to do? I have to press the left mouse button and then I have to drag my mouse. Once the part of the drawing is inside the box, I have to release the mouse button. Right? Now as you can see, there is a box around the circle. It means the circle is selected. Alright? Now if I want to move this circle to the right side of my window, what I have to do? I have to place my mouse pointer inside the box. Once I place the mouse pointer inside the box, you can see the mouse pointer is changing into four-headed arrows. Right? Again, see, this is my mouse pointer. See, this is my mouse pointer. And now I am moving it inside the box. Then it will change into the four arrows. As now it has changed, then I have to press the left mouse button again and I have to keep it pressed till I move the picture to the another side. And I am dragging my mouse to the right side, as you can see on the screen also, and the picture is also moving along with my mouse pointer. Right? Now I have placed the picture on the right side. Now I will release the mouse button. See, this is how you can move a picture from one place to another. You can move a part of the drawing or you can move the whole drawing. Only that part will move from one place to another. Which part you will select? Means only the selected part will be moved from one place to another. So for moving any object from one place to another, first you have to select that object from the screen using the select tool. Alright? Now the next thing that we are going to learn is how to resize an object. As you can see on the screen, there are three objects on my screen, right? Let me place it a little here. Yes, so there are three objects on my screen, right? Now if I want to resize the smiley that is present on my screen, what I have to do? First of all, I have to select the part of the drawing to which I want to resize. So firstly, I will click on the select option and then I will place my mouse pointer over the top of the object and then I will press the left mouse button and then I will drag my mouse. Right? As you can see, now the smiley is inside the box. It means it has been selected. Right? Once you select the part of the drawing to which you want to resize, then you have to click on this resize button which is next to the select option. As you can see on the screen also, you have to click on this resize. As I have clicked on this resize, there you will see percentage and pixels. And there is a horizontal pixel. Firstly, click on the pixels. So you will see the value of the horizontal pixels mean the length of your drawing when you go from left to right. And the length of your drawing from top to bottom. It is given in the form of the pixels. horizontal pixels and vertical pixels, and there is written maintain aspect ratio. So you have to tick on this box always, otherwise the shape of your object will be changed. If you don't check this box, once you will resize your object, the shape of the object will be changed. So it is compulsory that you have to check this box. Okay, then as you can see, if the horizontal pixels are 226. Now if I want to enlarge the size of my drawing, then I have to enter the pixel value greater than the previous value. अगर मुझे इसका साइज बड़ा करना है तो मुझे 226 से बड़ी वैल्यू डालनी है, और अगर मुझे छोटा करना है साइज तो मुझे 226 से छोटी वैल्यू डालनी है. नाउ आई वांट टू एनलार्ज इट साइज, मुझे इसका साइज बड़ा करना है, तो आई विल राइट हियर 288. Once I write the horizontal value, the vertical value will be updated automatically. जो vertical pixels की वैल्यू है वो ऑटोमेटिकली स्क्रीन पर आ जाएगी. ऑलराइट, क्योंकि हमने मेंटेन एस्पेक्ट रेशियो को टिक किया है. नाउ आई विल क्लिक ऑन ओके. Once I will click on OK, you will see the size of the picture is changed. As you can see, the smiley has enlarged now. The size of the smiley is enlarged now. Okay, so this is how you can resize the picture. First you have to select it, then you have to click on resize button. There you will see two options, percentage in pixels. Click on pixels and then enter the pixels of your choice. Now if I want to decrease the size of the picture, I will enter the smaller value than the previous value. Now the previous value is 288. Now I will enter the value which is smaller. So I will enter 111. So as you can see, the vertical value is updated automatically. Now I will click on OK and the size of the picture is reduced. So this is how you can resize the picture. Now next is your skew. So first of all, let me tell you what is skew. Skewing an image means to resize the drawing either vertically or horizontally or both, so that it appears slanted. ताकि वो थोड़ी सी उसकी शेप जो है वो आपको slanted दिखाई दे, टेढ़ी दिखाई दे. Now first of all, let me make it enlarge again. Okay, so for skewing the image, सबसे पहले मुझे क्या करना है? अगेन आई हैव टू सेलेक्ट द ऑब्जेक्ट. मैंने इसको सेलेक्ट कर लिया. नाउ आई एम रिलीजिंग माई लेफ्ट माउस बटन. देन आई हैव टू क्लिक ऑन रिसाइज एंड you can see a box appears. Now below the box there is a skew written, right? Means आप अपनी पिक्चर को किस तरह से एनलार्ज करना चाहते हो, हॉरिजॉन्टली और वर्टिकली. Now if I select the horizontally and I enter the horizontal value like 23 I have entered. When I will press OK, so you will see my picture will be little distorted. The shape of my picture will be little distorted in the horizontal direction. As you can see, देखो थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी हो गई, slanted हो गई, right? Now अगर मैं फिर से रिसाइज करती हूँ और मैं वर्टिकल वैल्यू यहाँ डालती हूँ, तो टॉप से बॉटम जो है वो मेरी पिक्चर की शेप जो है वो डिस्टॉर्ट हो जाएगी, चेंज हो जाएगी. Now I have entered 56. Now you can see the change. See, right? So this is for skewing the image. मतलब अगर आप स्क्यू करते हो इमेज को तो आपकी पिक्चर जो है वो रिसाइज होती है, या तो बड़ी होगी या तो छोटी होगी. और कैसे छोटी होगी? हॉरिजॉन्टली मीन्स फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट, इस तरह से स्ट्रेच होगी, और फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम या फिर इस तरह से स्ट्रेच होगी. ठीक है? और आपको कैसी दिखेगी? इट विल अपीयर स्लांटेड टू यू. आपको वो स्लांटेड दिखेगी, राइट? सो इज दिस क्लियर? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट how to resize and how to skew an image.